What's up, world? It's your girl Camaro Key, and welcome to Coffee and Camaros Chick.
All right, Tuesdays in 2 bits. Psych.
What up, world? What up, world? It's your girl Camaro Key, and I'm back with another video. Well, y'all seen the other video. I got my seats in, the Corvette seats, 2019. So now we're getting ready to get the pattern together, these colors. Let's see how it's gonna go. So I got Stitch here.
It ain't me. This ain't
Got
me.
here. He gonna help me out. So let's get to it. Puncho back there making noise.
Okay. So now we got the robot seats.
Robot.
My boy Dean has broke them all down. Man, look like a robot. This before. Boy, if you ain't got them right there, throw the whole damn car away.
Whole car.
So they're not too bad. Heat and cool. Oh, might say the booty. So we got the colors together. We got the pattern together. Y'all know it's a swap going in here. I don't know if she told y'all that.
We mentioned it.
Oh, we mentioned it? Okay. Well, we mentioned it. Well, yeah, these are Corvette seats. This is the new. I want to show y'all the color so bad, but this is the pattern style. We're going with, what's the top? So my man Dean been working on the seats, getting them stitched up. Show them what they twerking with.
Suede.
Yeah, I know we had to throw some of that suede in there. Get a little suede in vinyl. Little contrast stitching. Nothing too crazy. So we get them together. Y'all hear Puncho back there. So the car's coming along. Let me give y'all an update on the car. Ooh, wee! Getting the wiring together. Got the Resto AC vintage air. Boy, they say this thing Bluetooth. You could do it all from your phone. Ain't nothing but an app. Sweet, right? Let me know, man. We're a dealer for them as well, so we can get you one and ship it. So we got it all dynamatted up. Finna make the seat brackets. Getting the relays, putting a secondary fuse panel box in it. Got a few pieces wrapped in suede. This gonna be the first ever IROC Z06.
Say it again.
I said the first ever IROC Z06.
And whose is it?
Y'all see it. We did a nice little LS in it. Rose gold pulley set up. So y'all see the theme here.
So pretty.
Y'all see the theme here. Rose gold and white. So we kept the theme throughout the car. We'll be doing that as well throughout the inside when we throw that new 2021 Corvette interior in it. What Soulja Boy say? The first in the world. We got the first in the world 2021 Corvette swap. Don't believe me, just watch.
They ain't really cool.
That's the console. Y'all know we got the dash. Y'all know how we do, man. Everything dynamatic. Even the inside of the doors, rattle trap. So that's about an update on that, man. We're gonna keep y'all posted on the IROC Z06. Lay around for it. We should have this thing fired up here shortly. We ain't got much. Hey, that's about that on that, man. I'll be back in a minute.
Girl Camaro key, I'll be back in 3.
Straight like that.